In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your ribbon in Microsoft Word 2016. Customizing the ribbon is a great way to bring your most used tools front and center so you can work faster. Start by opening Word, then go to the File menu and choose Options. In the Word Options window, select Customize Ribbon from the list on the left. This page is where everything happens. On the right, you'll see the current tabs and their groups, like Home and Insert. On the left, you'll see a catalog of commands you can add. If you want your own space on the ribbon, create a new tab. Click New Tab, and it will appear on the right with a default name. Select it and click Rename to give it a clear, meaningful title. This name is what you'll see along the top of Word next to the built-in tabs. Each tab needs at least one group, which is a labeled section within the tab. Select your tab, click New Group, and then rename the group to describe the tools you'll put inside, such as editing or review shortcuts. A little planning here helps keep everything tidy. Now add the commands you actually want. Click the group you just created so Word knows where to place them. From the Choose Commands From drop-down on the left, pick a category, like Popular Commands or All Commands. Select the command you need and click Add. Repeat this for each tool you want. You can always remove a command later, so don't worry about experimenting. If you change your mind about anything you created, you can remove it. Select the custom tab, group, or command on the right and click Remove. This only removes it from the ribbon layout and doesn't delete the feature from Word. You can also rename any custom tab or group at any time by selecting it and clicking Rename. While renaming, you'll have the option to choose an icon for custom groups, which makes them easier to spot. To change the order of what you see on the ribbon, select a tab or group on the right and use Move Up or Move Down. The order here controls the left to right position in Word, so place your most used items near the top of the list. If you ever want to undo your changes, click Reset and choose Reset All Customizations, or Reset only the selected tab if you prefer a lighter touch. When everything looks good, click OK to save your changes and return to Word. Your customized ribbon is now ready to use.